Okay, hi again, Attorney Steve Vonder, and we're back. We are talking in this video about what is the Northern District Court and how does that work. Okay, so basically in law you have state courts and federal courts. State courts is where a lot of cases get filed, this, that, and the other. Federal courts, on the other hand, are courts that have to have meet specific criteria to get into the court. In other words, there has to be a federal question at issue, or there has to be diversity of citizenship. These are something we've talked about on other videos. You can Google that. Vondren, federal court, diversity, and I think our video will come up on that hopefully. But today we are talking about federal courts. If you make the decision that you want to get into federal court, if you have the grounds to get into federal court, this is the Northern District Court of California. Okay, so let's start with just this one, really, right here. So just by looking at this map here, these are the 4 districts. There are 4 district court areas in the state of California. You can see them depicted on this map from the United States Court website. So this is the Northern District up here. This encompasses this area on the coastline, some very expensive real estate up there on that side. That is the Northern District, and I'm going to break that down in just a second for you, but just so you can see the other ones. You have the Eastern District here, covers a lot of turf, And down here you have the Central District, also very high expensive, affluent areas, lots of beach and coastal areas, whatnot, Orange County, your LA, all the way up to San Luis Obispo, as you can see here. So that's going way up there. Over here you have the Eastern District, and then you have Northern, Eastern, the Central District here, okay, and that's depicted also going into San Bernardino County, gigantic area, and down here in the Riverside County, okay? And so there you'll see here in the Central District there's different divisions. And finally, down here in the Southern District, that's San Diego, Carlsbad, La Jolla, Oceanside, all these areas down here south, okay? So that's how the state of California is broken down into these 4 different districts, okay? You see that? The 4 different districts. Now, you came here and watched this video because you want to know what the Northern District is. Here's the Northern District. Let's blow that up for you. And you can see the different counties that are made up. So if you're in any of these counties, or if you're a defendant in any of these counties, then you can be pulled into these courts. In typical federal court types of cases: copyright infringement, patent infringement, trademark infringement, the Lanham Act, patent cases, large class action cases, federal antitrust law, all kinds of things like that can get pulled into these federal courts, okay? So you see the counties up here: Del Norte, Humboldt, Mendocino, Sonoma, all these, Marin, San Francisco, Alameda, Oakland's in there, Napa, Lake County, Santa Cruz, San Mateo, all these. Okay, so it's a big area, lots of different turf that's covered. Now, just so you know, there are 4 courts. There are 4 offices. The main headquarters right here in San Francisco, the beautiful city right there, San Francisco, okay? That's the headquarters, but cases are also heard in Eureka up in here, and also in San Jose, and cases are also heard so you have San Jose, San Fran, Oakland, and Eureka. Those are your 4. Okay, so you're going to have 4 main offices where these cases are filed and where they are heard. So if you need a lawyer to help you, Northern District Court lawsuits as a plaintiff, as a defendant, mediation ordered through any of these courts, give us a call. We can help you. But that, my friends, is a quick and dirty overview of the Northern District of California.